Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox not letting me play games. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox not letting you play games, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about Roblox and you will click. Then in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. Then you can wait 3 seconds and you can turn off you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.